Hey y'all, this is Eve with the Baby's Booty, and I am coming to you with a special message from Mighty Hoop.
Hi everyone, Tiffany here with Midwest Products, makers of the Hoop Master and the Mighty Hoop. I am here today to wish you all well and to wish you luck with the big giveaway that the Baby's Booty is doing today. I know that Eve's been working really hard to put together something really special for you. We've donated to the Baby's Booty one of our 5.5 Mighty Hoops. The 5.5 Mighty Hoop is perfect for left and right chest embroidery, also perfect for smaller items like baby's onesies, maybe Christmas stockings. Some of the cubbies or the embroidery buddies that are stuffed animals that you can embroider. This will work great on all of those different items and so much more. We do make them for all of the multi-needle machines, and we also make it for some of the single needle machines. So as long as it's a tubular machine, it will work with your machine. If you have any questions, we're always available at info@hoopmaster.com. Send us an email, or if you'd like to order, you can order at www.hoopmaster.com. And I want to just wish you all luck and thank Eve for putting this great giveaway together. I look forward to hearing from Eve who the winner is. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. It's a great way to spend a Sunday. Good luck, everyone. Bye-bye.
So there you have it. The announcement of our Mighty Hoop giveaway is officially on. This is the video that you want to leave a comment on. Okay, so drop your comments in this description of this video in order to enter to or to be in the drawing for the giveaway of this Mighty Hoop 5.5 square Mighty Hoop. Now, a couple of things I would like to ask, please. So for those of you who don't have a multi-needle machine, please leave this for those who do have a multi-needle machine. All right, so a multi-needle machine can only be used with this hoop. So definitely be sure that if you have a multi-needle machine, then you can leave a comment below so that you can have your name in the drawing. Also, if you do have a multi-needle machine and you already have a set of these, like 2 of these 5.5 square, then I would like to please ask that you allow folks who don't have either any Mighty Hoops or just one enter so that they can be considered, because of course if you already have 2, then let's let folks who don't have that ability or have that in their stash to go ahead and enter in order to win the giveaway on this. So thank you guys for joining us for our 25K giveaway. The drawing will be on Sunday. So Sunday we will do the drawing from the comments in this video in order to get a 5x5 Mighty Hoop. So you don't have to be present to win, but you do have to make sure that you give me your address and such. Otherwise, I don't know where to send it. So, but thanks, and I look forward to seeing you all on Sunday.